So quite a few things have happened since my last update on my PCOS and taking saw palmetto, etc. So I kind of wanted to give you all an update on that and let you all know what's next. Hey guys, it's your good Nelly, aka Nelly B, and today I want to talk real quick about things that have been going on with my PCOS and that whole 9 yards. So for a quick recap for the new subscribers, I have polycystic ovarian syndrome. I've spoken about it on my channel here before. I also wrote about it on my blog. I was diagnosed back in 2000 and somebody. I would have been like in my early 20s, if not like 20 on the dot. And it's been a real roller coaster since then with, the acne and the weight gain and everything else, the moodiness, the anxiety, the insomnia, it's a lot, but God is good. God is good. But anyway, some of my more popular videos on here actually had to do with saw palmetto on the, I don't want to say guidance of a friend, but a friend mentioned it and I had researched it and I started taking it specifically to treat with my hirsutism. Hirsutism is basically when you experience like male pattern, like I have hairy, I have hair on my jawline, hair on my neck, that sort of thing, and it's really annoying. So I started taking saw palmetto to see if it would make a difference, and it did make a difference, like completely. I even did an update on it for those who had asked if I'd still been taking it, etc. And that's part of why I wanted to do this update as well, because I've stopped taking saw palmetto. The last time I would have taken it would have been, I don't think I've taken it for the year. I would have probably stopped taking it sometime last year. And there really isn't any main reason for that. I just decided, okay, I'm just going to stop. That's how my brain works sometimes. And of course, within, some time of me stopping, the same chin hair, jawline hair, neck hair, etc. started growing back in its usual stylings. So what I plan to do now is I want to investigate spearmint tea, because I've heard quite a few people mention that spearmint tea is effective in treating with hirsutism. The next thing that has happened since my last PCOS update is the fact that I had started taking metformin. Metformin is something that they had put me on in the initial stages of me being diagnosed with PCOS. And it did not do me well. It had me sick, upset stomach, nausea. It was bad. It was really bad. However, I started taking it sometime last year, and I learned how to take it. You see, what happened was that when they had put me on it, I didn't quite get proper instructions as to how to take it. But now that I know, just based on experience and doing better research, I know how to take it so that I don't experience the nausea and the upset stomach and that whole jazz. I was also taking a combination of other supplements like magnesium, zinc, vitamin B complex, as well as a vitamin D, because I did read on several academic and other sites that these things are supposedly really good for women with PCOS. And I was on those for a while, and I will admit, period was coming regularly. It wasn't too heavy. It wasn't too light. My PMS wasn't, actually my PMS was actually really good. Outside of the cravings though. Outside of the, I was craving stuff like mad. But anyway, so I have been taking those consistently for months, and I was doing all right. I would say I was doing pretty all right up until January, when my car got stolen, and I think that just kind of put me into a tailspin where my hormones were just my body was in crisis mode because I was stressed out over the car being stolen, and my body just kind of retaliated. So between the car getting stolen and then moving into the new place, I was really stressed out. My period got a bit wonky, and it kind of settled, I would say, in April. But I realized that my period became really light between April to May to June. So the plan is to start back my supplements, as well as to start back the metformin gradually like I did before. In addition to taking all of these supplements, of course, I have to eat well and I have to exercise. And I think because it took me some time to really develop a routine in our new space, etc., it has taken me a while to really get back into exercise. But but I'm at a place now where I can devote that time to exercise. There are these classes I take from Shikasa that are like dance fitness classes that are really awesome, and I enjoy them. I also have my jump rope. I have resistance bands that I had been using and stopped, and I plan to start back because now I have even more space to exercise. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. The hiccup in all of this is the food. I mean, I love food. I love food, but yet I don't like to eat. It's a very interesting paradox to be in at times. But having to convince the hubs, who does most of the cooking, to be mindful of my portion sizes, to be mindful of the things that I should or maybe shouldn't be eating, or how much of what I should be eating. It is a trip because his love language is food, and he loves to cook for me, and he loves to pack my plate with food. So it is very interesting trying to navigate that space, you know? And then most importantly, I do plan to go see Dr. CNOBGYN, because of course I could be doing all of this and still not be getting the results that I want. So of course I have to seek professional help. I mean, for that and for other things, of course, but yeah, that is the plan. Go see a doctor because I had to make sure everything in order, you know. So that's it for my PCOS update. I will keep you guys posted on things like the spearmint tea. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on there, because I will be sharing things in more real time when I get them, when I try them, that sort of thing. So y'all can stay tuned there. So for those of you who have PCOS, let me know, how have things been for you? How has stress been? I know the pandemic has affected us in a lot of different ways. So stress affects us as women, especially, you know, periods, hormones, the whole nine yards. So how has treating with your PCOS been? What have you been taking? What have you been trying? What have you been doing? How has, you know, navigating that whole PCOS space been for you? Drop a comment, let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.